Here's a new app called Enjoy AI Town. Create anyone you want. It's a kind of AI virtual avatar app. There is 4,000 residents in this AI town. It's a social world similar to within AI town. Meet anybody, do anything, and be anyone. As creator, you can build your own stories, location, and characters. Download, enjoy now, and start your journey. Free to download and play. And that's the app. So then you can just open it up. To save progress, you need to log in. Then here's you can just start as a new visitor. You just enter in your name, and then you just enter. So then you can just enter a specific room, and there are some handy tutorials, and then you can just equip it. And like Hangout, there are a lot of customizations, and just there's also like some virtual pets, so a lot of stuff in here. And then you can just play with it. You can participate in your town. You can go to cafe. So there are some people in here.
Hey, you!
And then this is basically you hang out in this app. So that's the idea of the app. And then yeah, here you can then just see how it looks like. And then you can link your account, and that's the app. Quite interesting idea how it works. And yeah, so there you have it.